What's up, guys? It's your guy, Michael Marcial. Just here today to talk about hair, give you my thoughts, let you know what I think, tell you all the things. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, you know how it goes. And remember, it's always a good day to have a good hair day. What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a look at Michael Marcial's Le Vivid hair system that he's started wearing. This video is sponsored by Le Vivid Hair. We're going to be taking a look at Michael's hairstyle, the hair system, all that fun stuff, kind of do a deep dive and analysis because
this is the internet and I'm entitled to give my opinion as a professional that isn't a professional so that you guys think that I'm a professional.
All right, let's just jump right in, shall we? All right, here we go. So we got Michael's fancy new intro right here. His experience with a cartoon superhero-like comic book style to his video. Oh man, so inspirational. Michael, you steal my heart. Vibey music. Michael, good job. Good job with the music choice. Ooh, feel that hair. Feel it. Feel it.
Feel it, love it, enjoy it, taste it.
So this right here, this excess, I'm just gonna snip it and trim it. Not sure exactly why they leave it on here. I'm sure there's a reason. I'm sure it's easier, you know, if you've got a need for extra skin-like material. Sure. But I'm gonna go through and just cut this off. Show you what it looks like here in just a second.
So I've gotten this question multiple times of people that have bought Le Vivid systems and they've noticed that there's a little skin on the front of the hairline. This is something just like Michael, I just snip off right away. It's not hard to do at all. Get some like cuticle cutters or some small scissors. You can even use a utility knife, a box cutter, razor blade, anything like that. It is really easy to cut off. It's usually either skin material or lace material and you just follow the hairline. So this is honestly a little great tip that I actually do with my hair systems as well. Don't be afraid to kind of carve your own unique hairline in there. It doesn't have to be anything drastic, but if you actually give it a little bit of fluctuation, some waviness, you know, some ins and some outs, it can give a little bit more of a natural shape. We're not talking about harsh angles. There's no harsh angles really in nature, especially 90 degrees. But if you just give a little bit of, it can give a little bit of realism to it.
Le Vivid has a great product. No hair shedding, right? Like literally nothing, right? So, so product-wise, really good. I'm excited to get this thing cut in tomorrow.
This is a good look. I think you should keep it. Just this look right here.
Okay, I literally just left Clips's place. I think he did another phenomenal job. Some cool style. Like this is a lot cooler than I would actually do myself. Let's be real. So that's the perk of going to somebody that's kind of, you know, in it. He understands style, understands something modern. And so what he did a little bit on the front hairline, as you can see, little swoopy action. Instead of going up and over, which I typically would do, kind of swooped it in and over, which is cool. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. Blends really nice. I'm gonna tell you my first impression so far. Obviously, I just installed this yesterday. Just got it cut in today. I love the hair itself. It's pretty silky, pretty smooth, pretty soft. So Le Vivid, you know, I think is putting together a really phenomenal product. And it's comparable pricing with other companies on the market. So I'm gonna give this one a shot for a couple weeks, see how I like it. But so far, so good. What do you think about this style? Let me know below. Don't hold back. You guys like calling me names. So let me know about this style. What do you think?
Yeah, that's super cool. So I actually live in Salt Lake City, which is where Michael is based as well. And we're friends. We see each other every once in a while. I got to see his new hairstyle. I got to see him pretty much immediately as soon as he got this installed. And I had to say, it looked fantastic. It is something that honestly, I thought really improved his look. I think it's probably the best haircut, best hair system that he's worn in a long time. Not just saying that. I think it's really starting to lock in for him as far as the style, the density, the look, all of that fun stuff. So this video, I think that, you know, he got a good hairdresser. This is somebody that I actually want to check out myself. I'm talking with him, see if I can get an appointment and see if he can work some magic with myself as well. I love this video. I love that Michael is trying out different products, giving you guys reviews so that way you can see some of the differentiation. Now one of the things I want you to know is if we look right here at his hairline, there is some unevenness. I think that his hairline looks better than ever. When I see Michael in person now, it seems like there is a lot more of a natural density in his front hair. Like there's some separation, there's some room to see the scalp, which, to be honest, some of you may be uncomfortable with. Some people want really, really dense hair systems. They want a really dense hairline. Other people want a more natural look, a more diffused look. And I can say from my own experience, from his experience, that Livid seems to be doing a good job with their diffusion at the hairline. So it's something that you might want to consider if that is the case. I don't know. Anyways, I hope that this was useful for you, making fun of Michael, but also just supporting him, giving him some love, giving him a little bit of a shout out on the channel. He's doing great. I love what he's doing, giving content to you guys, always infusing his personality and being himself. Shout out to Livid for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to see more, let me know with a comment down below, with a like on this video. Watch the whole thing, share it with a friend, all that fun stuff. We'll see you soon.